stick around to the end. I have a new product that I will be dropping soon, and you guys will be officially the first people to know. I can't believe I believed everything we had, but less young and naive of me. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video of Flaviaatee. If you're new here, I create lifestyle content, I create business content, I create things that you guys need to know about my life. Okay, if you enjoy it already, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and join the family. So as you can tell from this title, I'm going to be doing a pack with me. Please excuse my background right now because I'm a business owner. All of your business owner can relate. Background in your room is giving stock room. Is actually giving stock room. So that's exactly what this situation right here is behind me. This is where I keep all of my stock. If you watched my previous videos, you probably would have seen it in my videos a little bit. Shameless plug, I'm wearing my Essentials t-shirt, Jim B's Fitness. In this video, I'm going to be doing a pack with me. Over the weekend, I've received some orders. I was actually too stunned to speak. I received some orders. We're literally just going to pack it together. I actually have an order that's going to America, which is absolutely crazy. It's not my first time it's going to America though, which I'm grateful regardless. But when it goes to America, I'm just like, yeah, like overseas, baby. Basically, let me actually let you into like a little tracker thing that I've been doing. Whenever I do get an order from a different country, I've basically made a map on my iPad which I colour in every single time a Jim B's order has been shipped there. And guys, I'm really trying to make this all green. So far I've sold to United States, I've actually sold to Angola, my hometown, big up my people there, Norway, and I've sold to obviously the United Kingdom. Yeah, like it's exciting. I'm not gonna lie, it's actually exciting when I actually ship packages that go overseas, because it's like raw, like little old me, like people abroad are actually seeing my content, are seeing my brand, and it's just kind of like wow. Right, so I've got 5 orders to pack. Order number 1035, she ordered an adjustable bra in the size 5XL and she's from the United States. I don't know if you're going to be watching this video, but I'm going to say regardless, if you watch this video, thank you so much for supporting my brand. All of the sizes from 2XL came last week and I haven't opened it. I was waiting for this video to open it with you guys. I know what sizes are in here, so it just makes it a little bit easier. As soon as I get my stock from abroad, I always make sure that I open up the packages, making sure that everything is correct, so the label tag is correct, the amount of stock that I ordered is correct, because sometimes manufacturers do tend to obviously forget. I need to check my stock spreadsheet just to make sure that everything that I requested is in this order. 5XLs, 3XLs and 4XLs, so that's 2, 4, 6, 8. Yep, this is exactly what I mean. My manufacturer didn't give me two XLs, I've only got 1. Now I need to actually message my manufacturer and tell them that I don't have 2XL, I only have 1 of them. See guys, this is exactly what I was telling you guys. Make sure that you count your stock. Right, I've messaged my manufacturers to let them know that I've only got 7 bras and I ordered 8. Hopefully they can do something about it, because this money is not free and it's not cheap at all. Y'all be playing. It's literally the same. Oh, you're joking.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
I'm not even gonna lie guys, I actually have to have a serious conversation with my manufacturers, because like this is actually not even the first time that I've received stock without my logo. And guys, the reason why I'm going to continue filming this video is because I really want you guys to actually see like the ins and out of every single business. It's not always smooth sailing, do you know what I mean? So this is literally a perfect example of why communicating with your manufacturer in a way that not only that you understand but they understand too is so important. The first time that this had happened was like about a month ago. I said obviously I want more bras, so they sent me bras without a logo. I kind of like was a bit anxious because obviously all of my customers won't get their bras on time. So when I received them, I made a TikTok video. Guys, follow me on TikTok. I made a TikTok video basically documenting the fact that I had received blank bras basically. So then I shipped it back, which was not even cheap by the way. That's also something that made me get out of pocket. Thinking about it right now, it was not cheap. Guys, it was a lot. It was a whole lot. Nevertheless, I do have some orders. My girl, Cash K, period. She ordered again for the 3rd time. Oh my god, I'm so grateful. A medium bra, and then she ordered an extra large bra, which I actually do have in stock. First things first, I take them out of the packages, just double checking that the actual size it corresponds to what she had ordered. Medium bra. Because they're 2 different sizes in one package, I have to obviously give them 2 of these bags. Once that's done, I then grab one of my stickers which I got from Amazon. It will be linked down below. So that's the extra large sticker so that the customer knows that it's definitely a medium. Right, so once that's completed, I then go ahead and grab one of my thank you cards. I've actually got so much left. Then go ahead and literally write a personalized note just to kind of just say thank you and give it a personal touch. And then once that's completed, I pop it into the bag. And now let's move on to the actual printing. We use, well, I said we, is me, myself and I at this point. I use Royal Mail Click and Drop simply because it's so easy to actually use. All I have to do is buy the shipping labels at home with literally like 3 clicks, if that. And then I literally just stick it on the polymer bag and then I literally drop it off. Or I could have opted in to get them to actually come to my house and pick up the parcels. Once you scroll down, you can see that, as I said, I have 5 orders which need to be fulfilled. The vast majority of these orders, unfortunately, I don't have the bras with the actual logo on, so I won't be able to be doing that. The one I am doing is from my girl, Cash K. So what I do, I highlight the name, which is on this side, and then I click apply postage. Once I've done that, I then have to weigh it just to make sure that I'm paying the right price. I use this scale. You can get any scale. My mom's a baker, so she has literally loads of scales, so I definitely tease this from her. Simply just weigh the parcel to find out the actual weight. 326. Once I scroll down, I always use tracked 48 for all of my parcels, so that means that all of my customers will receive it within 2 working days. Once doing so, I literally scroll down and click apply and generate, and this is when I've paid for my shipping label. It's literally so easy. I use direct debit, so it takes it out automatically at the end of each month, and what I'm going to do is literally click print and send it to my thermal printer, which will then print it off. And voila. So once that is done, I then get the poly mailer that I used for her order, shipping label, and then that's it done. I hope that's giving you guys a little bit of an insight of how packaging orders do go. If you would like more of these videos or these type of videos, or even just any type of videos, please let me know down in the comment section and I will most definitely try my best to do so. As promised, I was going to show you guys a new product that I will be dropping very soon. Another one for the men collection. So are you guys ready? I haven't got an official look there yet. I'm still working on whether I actually like the logo size. However, this is the new product that will be dropping soon. Oh my gosh, it's got back pockets on this side. I feel like Gymbeast is literally expanding and I'm literally so here for it. Slowly but surely Gymbeast will be growing. Do you get what I mean? It's just crazy to see, like, I literally started out by just doing females and I was only going to be a female line, but then a lot of people on my TikTok were commenting saying men's line, men's line, men's line. But then I took it upon myself to actually, you know, design some men's line clothing, and people are actually messing with it. The one I'm wearing right now, y'all should really go and cop gymbeastfit.co.uk, period. You know what, yeah, I'm telling you this right now, I will be wearing this stuff like it's nothing. Like, I can't wait today. I'll be literally head to toe in Gymbeast. Yeah, that's my aesthetic. You don't like my aesthetic, well, you're gonna like it today. This is exciting. No one else knows apart from you guys and babe, so don't be telling everyone. Thank you very much. I can't wait for what the future holds for me, what the future holds for Gymbeast Fitness. I can't wait to move out of my room. Like, I feel like everything is just so crammed and all over the place. Like, I've got stock here, I've got stock in the back, like it's just a lot going on. This is just me putting it out there that next year I will be out of my room for Gymbeast. I will be, not even I want to be, I will be out of my room, and I'll come back to this video for reference. But yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Again, as I said, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next business episode of Gymbeast Fitness Journey. Catch you guys later.